Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to help you learn how to log into Netspend HEB account. HEB or HEB is a Texas-based American supermarket chain. The firm also operates on high-quality organic and fine foods. The HEB and Netspend are tied together as a prepaid card program. In order to log into Netspend HEB, go and tap open your web browser. In the search box, type in hebprepaid.com and search. Once you're in, go and tap on the login button at the upper right corner and you'll end up in the login page. Type in your username in the first text field. Make sure to type in the username that you use for your Netspend. Now go to the password text field and type in the password for your account. If you'd like the system to remember you, tap on this Remember Username box, but if you are using a public or a shared device, make sure to uncheck this box. In case you've forgotten your username and your password, you can tap on the username and the password link right below the login box. Follow the instruction to either look for your username or your password. After you're done, tap on Login. And with this, you'll be able to log into your Netspend HEB account quick and easy. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.